Welcome everyone, I'm John from Agilit-e, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Microsoft Azure command line interface on your local environment. The Azure CLI is a brilliant tool when it comes to interfacing with various Microsoft Azure services in their cloud. And even though Microsoft does provide some sort of online shell that you can use via a browser, depending on your requirements, you will find that having the CLI locally installed is usually the preferred choice. Right, so here I have my Windows 10 virtual machine running, and I've got IE Edge open to the Microsoft documentation, and so you just go to docs.microsoft.com, and over there you can do a search for Azure CLI, and you should get to this article of installing the Azure CLI. Now I will provide links to this on the YouTube notes or the blog notes wherever you are viewing this YouTube video from. But the installation is relatively easy because all you do is you go to install on Windows, and that will take you to a new page where you can click on the download MSI installer. And I've already done that on my side, but the moment you click on this button, it will automatically download it. It will submit the download on your side, and once downloaded, we can just go ahead and run the Azure CLI installer. So I'm just going to right click over there, double click to run, and let's just go through the install wizard. And there's really nothing to it. You just wait for the install to finish. Once it's done, you can click on the finish over here, and we can now go ahead and type CMD to open up the command prompt. And to test that Azure was installed successfully, the prefix to the Azure command is AZ, and to test this we're just going to say AZ --version, and if it does provide us with a version, we now know that the Azure CLI was correctly installed. And there you go, it's pumped out quite a bit of information, but if we scroll just a little bit up, we will see that it's provided us with the version of Azure CLI, which currently is 2.0.66. We are one step closer to interfacing with the Azure cloud. And that concludes our video today for installing the Azure CLI. Very, very simple process. So until next time, cheers.